What do you mean by VOC? In the first module, we could understand that VOC is voice of customer. So voice of customer is the customer specification. Customer is giving you the idea of the upper specification limit and lower specification limit of the product. Customer is giving you the design. Customer is having the is giving you the specific limits. They are actually telling you that what is the diameter they want. They are providing you the tolerance, and based on that you are arranging your process to give him right kind of product. Voice of customer provides you LSN and USL, and voice of the process would provide you the upper control limit and lower control limit. So we'll have to take care that USL is from the customer, while UCL is the voice of your process. It is the data of your process data would give you the idea what exactly is happening. So voice of process describes the weight of the data and can change with every data point. In other words, LSL and USL are the formulas whose values are changing and described as the process behavior, while you cannot change USL and LSL. So yes, we'll have if data changes, UCL and LCL may change, but your customer specification or design specification may never change. From where you get your VOC? From where you get the idea that your customer is giving you from where you can have your voice of customer. Surveys, past complaint, service issues, customer complaints, delivery issues, and customer feedback. These are some of the examples through which you can get your customer feedback. You might have seen that in good restaurants. When you go there and you are done with your meal, they are asking you to give the feedback, and they are getting some data from you, and that data will help you to give you the idea about the voice of customer. Let us understand what is critical to quality. CTQ is known for the critical to quality. Now, how to identify what is critical for your customer? So for that, you need to have 5 basic questions. Number 1, who is your customer whom you are serving, whether it is external or internal? Who can help define the issues, who are involved into the processes, and who speaks for the customers, and who does think is critical to continue. Now let us understand the core components of the project selection. So there are 3 basically the core component of the project selection. The one is business case, the another is project charter and benefit analysis. What is business case? Business case is the high level articulation of the area of concern, and it primarily answers 2 questions. One, why we are doing this business? What is the purpose of doing the business? And the another is what are the general area of the focus by improvement of efforts. What is project charter? Project charter is the more detailed version of the business case, and it would give you the idea where exactly you need to put your improvement efforts, and it is characterized by 2 primary sections. The one is basic project information and the other is the performance matrix. What do you mean by benefit analysis? If you cannot document, you have not done it, and if you have not measured, you cannot improve it. So at the end of the project, we need to understand what is the financial gain, what is the financial benefit we are actually getting from the project, and all this financial evaluation are being done into the benefit analysis. Let us understand the project selection governance. As you can see in this particular table, there are 3 rows and three columns. Let's say who is responsible for what. So we know that we are having 3 major components for the project charter: business case, project charter, and benefit analysis. And onto the column we are having responsible party, resource, and frequency of update. Now this table would give us the idea that who is responsible or which component is fitting well. Let's say business case, and the responsible party or responsible person for the business case is the champion. Now let us take about the business case and resource. So business unit members are responsible for all the resource. Now let us take about the project charter. So what is the frequency of update? So it is on ongoing basis you need to update the project charter. Let us talk about benefit analysis. So the primary responsible for the benefit analysis is the manager and the financial unit from the financial sections, so financial representative. And then which kind of the resources they will be using: champions and Six Sigma, belt people who are aware of the project, they are the resources for them. And what is the frequency of update when you are concluding the project or during the process when you are getting the benefits out of it? This is where you need to do your benefit analysis.